Hello my Pisces, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of September 25 will be for you, my love. So Pisces, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please. We begin with ripeness, celebration, compromise, and we are the world hellos. The first 10 days, you guys are rocking, good things are happening. So money flow is coming towards you. You have your friends with whom you are celebrating some good news. What money flow, no doubt, you guys are traveling. In fact, overseas connects are happening. You could meet new people. A happy full circle is happening. But what is the advice? It's okay. It's okay, you need to be happy from within. There are times where you need to compromise, so bring in a balance. You don't have to get confused as to why it's not happening, but this is what universe is trying to say, that it's okay. Okay, don't over stress, do not get disheartened, because you deserve, and whatever you deserve, universe is bringing to you. So now you should understand, should you take it or leave it. Now let's come to the mid 10 days, that would be from the 11th to the 20th, that is 20. We begin with outsider, suppression, intensity, thunderbolt. Thunderbolt and outsider both go hand in hand. Why? Because your inner child has been triggered and there is something related to finance. You are in a hurry, but you're not taking wise decision. It's like, you're grabbing everything, and then you feel you're suppressed because nobody's understanding you. The entire weight is on you. That's where you feel your inner child, or you feel nobody's supporting you, telling the problem lies within you, because you're overexcited, you want to do everything. But eventually this is what the shake-up happens, where you feel, oh my, this is something I wasn't ready. Why is the delay? Why didn't he or she say so whatsoever? This is what universe is trying to say. Go slow. The problem, you need to go slow. You need to step out of your comfort zone. Delegate tasks. Do not take things to yourself, else whatever issues you are holding on to, eventually it will start bursting up. Now let's come to the last 10 days, that would be from the 21st to the 30th. We begin with adventure, clinging to the past, experiencing, and moment to moment. Take baby steps. Okay, you need to let go of your past. Again, we have a child, so money flow is coming in. Take that leap of faith. Whatever you want, you can achieve. But what is that past you're holding on to? Is it that somebody is trying to say something or has said something which has been your block? Research network development will help you to take things further ahead. Again, broaden your horizons is what it's trying to say. You will juggle, okay, but I think emotionally you're not going to be happy. So what is that emotional quotient you need to work on is what universe is trying to remind you. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Law of attraction. What you want, you can achieve. So it's all about visualization. So you have manifestations, visualizing techniques, vision boards, writing exercise. Do that and start living it. When you start living it, Universe understands, and automatically your wires get connected, and what you want, you can achieve it. Now let's come to your love life. Okay, let's see what is it that they're trying to tell you. We have palm tree, the phoenix, and butterfly. All three are trying to say that your relationship is transforming, avoid ego clashes, stable connections are building up. Whatever the shifts are happening, it is happening for your betterment. Okay, so do not get stressed out. Only thing that you have to do is change your perspective, change your mind, enhance and heal your inner child. This is what the butterfly also effect comes in. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Imprisonment. Again, you are, see, can you see the synchronicity? This is exactly what it's trying to say. You are, how do I say, darling? You are your own block. So overcome that fear is what it's trying to say. Stop getting into poverty consciousness. Stop overthinking. Everything will be fine. Okay, so how should I sum up this month for you? Work on your inner child. Why work on your inner child? Because there is a part of you that you're scared, you're not ready to take that leap of faith, you self-doubt, you don't love yourself, okay, or you're looking for validation. This is what it's trying to say. Please work on your inner child. Once it is healed, everything like money flow is coming to you, your friends are there, emotionally you can be happy, but there is a part of you that is still scared. Now how do you work on your inner child? Go in front of the mirror, cross your arms and tell yourself that, hey, I love you, you're safe, you're protected, whatever you want, let me know, I will try to fulfill. You need to talk to yourself. Your angels are asking you to work on the law of attraction at the matters of heart. Your relationship is ascending. Please be a little flexible, change your mind, okay, and stable connections are building up, but you need to be flexible and avoid over stressing yourself is what universe is trying to remind you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.